I had received a call with a service request. I was able to hear the short product information and the current problem. The customer said the unit was at 60 degrees and noticed fans were running, but there was no cold air and no visible ice build-up. It is also said that a dedicated outlet is used. It seems to be a system-side problem as expected before the visit, but let's check it together by watching a following video. First of all, when I got there the display temperature was 80 degrees. And there was nothing wrong with the door gaskets and the door switches. The fans was running. But there was no cold wind coming out. So, I checked the back. I noticed that someone had put a piercing valve on it to check pressure. And the discharge line was hot. At the time, I thought that the first suspected problem was a leak. So the first thing I did was check the pressure. The compressor was not running yet. The gauge showed that the pressure was 58 psi when it was not running. I wanted to know there was the low pressure problem or the compressor was malfunctioning. If the compressor didn't work, I just simply had to replace the compressor. On the other hand, if the pressure was low, I had to look for a leak. I preferred changing the compressor because it was an easy job. But it would be a bit annoying if it was a leak. After the compressor was started, the pressure in the suction line was going down more and more. It seemed to be a leaking problem. I needed to find a leak. To find a leak, I injected nitrogen in the system until the pressure became around 120 psi. I was trying to put nitrogen little by little to prevent sudden crack in system. I would wait about 30 minutes after the injection to check for pressure change. Also, I was planning to check it precisely to use a leak detector. If a leak was confirmed, it was planned to conduct a bubble test once more to confirm a clear leak area. Once the pressure stabilized to some extent, I'd wait about 30 minutes. It seemed 122 psi. It had been waited more than 30 minutes. The next was gas leak detector. The pressure had remained unchanged at 122 psi. I had installed a new service valve and did put new nitrogen again. The pressure was about 207 psi. 206.8 psi. I would take a look for a while. I wanted to see if it fell or not. It was 206.7 psi. There was almost no pressure change. A nitrogen pressure test was performed again for about 30 minutes. There was still no pressure difference while nitrogen was present. Therefore, I vacuumed and put the R-290. Soon it was dropping to 74 degrees. And there was cold air coming out. I was waiting about 5 minutes to make sure that it was cooling well. It dropped to 55 degrees. Also, the air became colder. The speed of dropping temperature was really good. The pressure was fine. This unit did not have any problem. I wanted to finish up. The service valve was removed and the part sealed completely. Finally, the sealed part was checked as a bubble test. The work was completed. Thank you for watching this video.